Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some restoration to the bumpers of my 93 F150. It's going to be pretty cheap and easy. We got a wire wheel and some spray paint. So this is a really, like cheap and easy way, because you can buy brand new ones of these. They're like $300 to $400, and that's kind of expensive. I don't feel like paying that, so we're gonna go the cheap route, and hopefully it turns out. I've never did this before. I've seen people do it, so yeah, let's get started. All right, so here's what we're working with here. I'm assuming this is probably original bumper. Pretty rusty, right there. I don't know if that was like repaired or something. This is like flaking. We've even got a hole over here. So, I mean, it is pretty solid though. This is just so faded, like there's barely anything left of nice color to it. So, and the paint we got is this Rust-Oleum hammered look. I didn't even know they made this. Look at that. It's got like a texture. So that could look really cool, And we just got this wire wheel. Hopefully this does the trick to get some of this rust off. It looks pretty like fine. It's not like real aggressive, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get started. Update time. As you can see, get all down here. Just gonna get like the flaky stuff off. Did as much as I could around here. Got all these flakes off. Did some over here. Not perfect. Still have to do more up here. I don't know how I'm gonna get like in there, because I don't hit the tailgate. And this seal is just coming off. So we have to we have some of this just put in there maybe, I don't know. This light bezel thing is just gone. I think we might have a license plate light out though. This side's still fine. Looks brand new already. All right, time for some paint. It's about as good as the bumper's gonna get. Gonna spray this on. See what it looks like with this cardboard piece kind of blocking what we're gonna spray. Ooh, that looks really good actually. Wow. Oh, I gotta wear my gloves. Alright guys, check this out. Look at how good this bumper looks. Huh? It's got a little paint. Well, no, we're not fully done yet. Still got to get a little bit over here, but check that out. Makes the whole truck look just so much cleaner. Nice. All right, guys, that does it for the back bumper. Look at that thing. This thing's ready for Barrett Jackson. Except for the dent, but look at this. I mean, for a couple cans of spray paint, not bad. Especially like in here. I think here was bad. It turned out really well. So they just saved us like $300. Now onto the front. All right, with the front one, same story, except there's no dents or rust holes in this one. Just like surface. All these sag all the time. Over there sags even more, but it's a little test spot just because I was doing it. So yeah, up here is just plain. It's just rust, all surface. So let's get this cleaned and Ready for paint. And the second battery died. We got like 2 seconds in. Gotta go charge this one too. Alright guys, doing the front bumper here, it actually started to sprinkle a little bit, but it stopped. Did a little bit down there, you can see. I tried to get this off, it's just still pitted, but it looks a lot better. This will all be gone. Look at this. We had some plastic bags, the greenhouse we just built, and just did the whole front end here. That tucks into here nicely. I have to do a little bit more over here, but look at that. So I can just paint and it won't get anywhere. Nice. Yeah. Okay, check out the bumper. Looks so good. Oh crap, that's good. Guys, check check this out. Look at that. Just have to get a little bit more around the license plate holder. Look at that thing. Look how much cleaner it makes that front end look. Looks actually really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna take that black piece off. This kind of looks junky now. It looks so nice. Yeah, they're still pitting and stuff, but it's so much better than this before. Look at that. All right, my finger is cramped up. We just finished. Look at that. It's all done. Looks so nice and sleek now. Aerodynamic truck, let's do this. Oh yeah. So much better. Alright, we're going to be doing something that's hopefully looks good. I'm not sure yet. We're going to be painting the grille. I know, right? And the headlight, the trim on the headlights. I think it'll look good. It's just going to be a subtle touch of different color, but I think it'll look good. Just to make it match with the grille. Plus spice it up a little bit. Have it taken off, as you can see. Got done here is taped up the Ford logo because we don't want that getting all painted. As you can see, I think it'll look good. You know, not too much of a difference, but just enough to kind of like really clean it up. So, yep. Alright, so we're about to paint these, and I started, as you can see, I took these two screws out, but there's a screw in there. How do you get to that? Plus it's hooked up to the headlights. If I take that off, I'm gonna probably break something. So we're just gonna try to mask this off the best we can. It shouldn't be too hard, and just spray it. So, shouldn't be too hard. We'll just do that on both of them. Got the grill painted. Actually, it turned out really well. Oh, we got a leaf. Alright. Let's get to masking off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's raining right now. Getting rained in a little bit. Almost finished. You can see that one side's done. So I have to do the other side. I'm hoping my caulking works. See if it works. Hopefully it does. Hopefully no more rain gets in. So, front end's looking good though. I really like that color. It really matches, and then with the grill, it'll look really sharp. Clean up that whole front end. Once the rain stops, we can paint. These are things you have to do for truck life painting. It's currently sprinkling right now, but we got it painted, we got it masked off. I'm just trying to keep the water off of it. The whole day it wasn't raining, and right when I start painting it, it wants to rain. Guys, the front end of this is officially done. I got it painted. I was holding under it with an umbrella so it dried. And now the results are in. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Look at that. This makes the whole front look so much cleaner. Right? Once we finish buffing the rest of the car, or the truck, but for just some paint, that looks really nice. You know? Did pretty good masking off, didn't like getting on the paint. Looks really good. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Post down in the comments if you guys like the front end, or if you think it should be a different color or whatever, like black or something, but keeping this. So feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.